Oh my God, girls, are we really gonna do this? Cause like, I'm so kabado right now.
Oh my God, ang cute niya. Uy, bakla, paawat ka naman.
Eh, may lang to naman. I mean, ang saya kaya ng ginagawa natin. Tignan mo, naka-black pa tayong tatlo. Like, it's giving color coding. What if they make huli us because of this?
Nasaan
May
ako?
gumigising na siya.
Sino kayo?
Hi, princess nga pala.
Mark po.
Uy, be, tigilan mo. Kidnappers tayo dito. Yeah, we're kidnappers. So how was your day? Like, oh my God, we're so sorry for this inconvenience, ha?
Bakit niyo po ako kinidnap?
Oh, last time kasi we were kidnapped. So I think this is a great opportunity to kidnap someone naman. You know, double it and give it to the next person.
Uy, sorry may lakad ka ba? Gusto mo ihatid ka na lang namin mamaya?
Hoy! Kidnappers tayo, hindi tayo taxi driver! Maghahatid mo pa ako.
Saan niyo po pala ako dadalhin?
Ikaw, saan mo ba gusto pumunta? Cause like, pwede ka namin dalhin kahit saan mo gusto. Hoy, umayos naman kayong dalawa. Kunin mo yung gamit niya, dali.
Ala, si bakla nag-thank you pa. Dalian mo na dyan, te.
Ayan, buksan mo yung wallet niya. Ay, ang cute mo naman dito sa picture sa wallet mo.
Ay, thank you po.
Cash na ata kita. Hoy, bakla!
Ay, oo.
Tignan mo kung may laman! Walang laman. Oh no, it's empty. Here, let me give you some of my credit card so like you can make withdraw na lang later sa mga ATM if you need money. Bakla, anong ginagawa nyo? Sige na, tignan mo pa yung ibang laman ng bag niya. Ito, laptop. Ayan. Ay naku, papalitan to ni Hana. Girl, it's Hana, not Hana. But anyways, yeah, you can have my MacBook. It's a bit luma na rin, so like, I hope it's okay to you. Hoy, anong luma? Kakabili mo lang yan kanina. It's luma na kaya. Like, I bought it 32 minutes ago, so 32 minutes na rin siyang luma. Sige na. Tignan nyo pa yung ibang laman ng cellphone. This is your phone?
Ay, opo.
Oh my God, it looks so old, ha? Hold on, let me give you my spare phone. I actually bought it kanina kasabay ng MacBook, but I only took a few selfie, like, and I don't want it na. And I wanna make tap on this, but I think you should use this.
Hello, thank you po.
Wait. Ayan, sinave ko yung number ko. Text mo ko pag di ka niya PC, ha? Nakakaloka kayo, be. What? We're just making his kidnapping experience fun. So like he won't forget about us for the rest of his life, di ba? O siya, tara na, hatid na natin siya.
Ay, hindi, okay na po. Dito na po ako bababa. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng binigay niyo,
Okay, bye! Text mo ko, ha? Oh, this is so fun. Who should we kidnap next?